Today I'm going to show you how to force restart this iPhone. So what we got here is the iPhone XS. So to force restart the iPhone, what you want to do is you want to press volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. Now there's a few reasons why you will want to do this force restart. One perfect example is, say you're scrolling on your phone and all of a sudden the touchscreen stops working. So what you want to do is you want to try to attempt this force restart to rectify the problem. Another issue could be if you're trying to use your camera and it freezes up. One more specific reason is, say if your phone is trying to boot up and it just keeps getting stuck on the Apple logo and it just keeps restarting. Attempting this force restart could fix 90% of these problems. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to force restart this iPhone. What we got here, the iPhone XS. So what you want to do is you want to go volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. You're going to see the screen is going to ask you to power it off, but touchscreen doesn't work. So we're just going to wait, keep holding the power button until the phone shuts down, and it's going to restart itself. Once you see the Apple logo, that means you've done the force restart properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the iPhone to turn back on. And once it turns back on, 90% of the time, it will fix whatever issue is causing the phone to act funny. So again, to attempt the force restart, all you have to do is go volume up, volume down, and hold the power button. And just keep holding it till the phone shuts down and reboots itself. And that's how you attempt a force restart. So we'll just wait for the Apple logo to come back on. And once it comes back on, when the phone starts up, the issue should be fixed. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, it could be two other problems. It could be a software related issue, which now if that's the issue, you will most likely have to restore your phone to fix whatever's causing that problem. The other problem could be a hardware issue, which if that is a problem, then most likely the best thing to do is bring it to one of your local technicians, get them to diagnose it and see what the problem is. Besides that, like I said, this will fix 90% of the problems that's causing the phone to act weird or funny. So go ahead, give this a try, and if it works, hit the like and subscribe, guys. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.